Come forward, human.
Welcome, heroes!
Our prayers have been answered! The heroes received our summons, and now they're here to help us!
Right. Excuse me. Would you allow me to appraise what kinds of abilities you've received? Incredible! A holy sword wielder! What amazing potential! Sacred magic. On top of that, you have the ability to use lightning, wind, ice, and light magic. What a comprehensive range!
I beg you, please save the kingdom of Raysager! You heroes from another world are our only hope!